something I think that can be confirmed with the ICI. According to the ICI, the number one buyer, according to the ICI, the number one proponent of projects in the DPWH is Zaldico. Number 3 is Diskaya. And number 2 is Congressman Edwin Garjola. So at least I can say that. He's number 2 overall, maybe to date. But I mean, the DPWH budget growed a lot in the last few years. So basically, kung sinong malaki ngayon, yun yung malaki overall din. Pero because Congressman Garjola is the second largest in the DPWH after Zaldico and ahead of Diskaya, and Zaldico and Diskaya are no longer or not in Congress, then I think it is credible claim to say that the largest contractor in Congress now is Congressman Edwin Garjola.
Based on data, sir, since when?
I think you can say ever, because again, the DPWH budget used to be 100 billion and then now it's 1 trillion. So basically, kung sino yung nakakunang malaki in just the last 3-6 years, siya din yung biggest ever.
Ano yung
So biggest ever.
kay Congressman Ko as per ICI? What is his description?
The
Biggest proponent?
the biggest contractor of projects
Simisanwa siya.
in the DPWH, or I think proponent or buyer. I'm not sure kasi if you can describe something as being a buyer, but
Proponent.
basta
Ano
he's
sabi nila? Ano sabi nila?
maybe you can ask them. Basta
No, wait, they told you, di ba? Ano sabi nila?
I'm not sure the exact word, but I can say the biggest proponent. I think that's the closest word, but you can check for the right word. But
But they did say
according to ICI, number 1, Zaldico. Number 3, Diskaya. Number 2, Congressman Edwin Garjola, who is a member of Congress today, and that's why I'm bringing this up to the media to beg the question: why are we talking about Zaldico and Diskaya, but not to the same extent about Congressman Edwin Garjola?
Sir, yung kay Guardiola, sir, what specific projects like most po ba ay
Roads.
flood control projects?
Roads.
Actually, meron din mga flood control projects si Congressman Garjola, which I'm asking our office to compute the number right now. But Congressman Garjola, just to go into a